What's up everybody, Kid Right here. So yeah, we are just 2 days away from the launch date of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series, but we already know quite a bit about what to expect from the upcoming Note. But we haven't had a real life hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Note series until now. That's right, a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus being used in the wild has finally been captured on a video. So there are two possible explanations behind this huge leak. The first and the less likely explanation is that this Samsung employee is quite stupid and decided to use an unreleased smartphone in public that's supposed to be remain hidden. The second is that this Samsung employee was authorized to test the phone in the wild. In either case, this is our first look ever at the Samsung's unreleased Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus on video. So guys, if we look at this video, as you can see, there is something wrong with the display of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This display looks totally a flat screen, but we learned that the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series will have a curved screen. Even though Samsung's signature feature is their curved screens, but this smartphone right there have a flat screen. Guys, this is because this is a prototype device for the testing, and so it doesn't have the phone's final design. This is definitely still the real deal though, as you can see how amazing that all screen with whole point design looks in real life. Well, Samsung is set to unveil the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series during a press conference in New York City on Wednesday, August 7th. The phones are then expected to be released on August 23rd after a lengthy pre-order period. So yeah guys, what do you think about this new hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.